روح الجمع 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 الجمع. يا الله
Iran tried to destroy its targets, but largely missed, and its missiles suffered a significant failure rate. One of the targets was the Tel Nof Air Base, where today Israel's top officer delivered this threat.
We will respond. We know how to locate important targets. We know how to strike with precision and power.
What important means, Israeli officials won't say publicly. One official briefed on the matter told PBS NewsHour that Israel could target Iran's economy and not its nuclear sites, a target that President Biden today opposed.
They have a right to respond, but they should respond in proportion.
But U.S. officials believe the Israeli government feels less restrained since they killed Hezbollah leader Hassan Nasrallah. In Gaza, residents feel there's no restraint. And today marked the death of Jude, who just started his life. This war spares no one, not the daughter who today lost her mother, or the mother too shocked to realize she'd lost her son. Gazan health authorities say in the last day, 70 were killed by Israeli airstrikes. Israel says it struck multiple UN shelters used by Hamas as command and control. Another Gazan laid to rest today, 38-year-old Sameh al-Asali, a resident of the occupied West Bank, and the only person known killed by Iran's massive missile attack. As for Israel's response, U.S. officials tell me tonight they hope it's calibrated to allow Israel a military reply, but one that falls short of inspiring Iran to launch another round of missile attacks. For the PBS NewsHour, I'm Nick Schifrin in Tel Aviv.